Alright, so I got a quick video here. This washing machine, there's a lid switch, not a lock, a switch right here underneath it, right here when the lid opens and closes. It tells whether it's working or not, and I'm going to show you how to replace that real quick. So on some models, if it's a Kenmore, it'll have a clip right here. You pull this clip, there's a screw right here. Same thing, pull this clip, screw right here. On other models like this one, let me turn my flash on. Alright, so on this model, we have to remove this 1/4 inch on both sides, and there's a Phillips right here. Alright, so the way you'll know if you've got that screw out or not is you'll be able to lift it up. Alright, now we're going to remove these 1/4 inch on both sides. Alright, once we have done that, we'll be able to lift this up. You just sit it back out of the way, make sure you don't damage nothing. Alright, so at this point, if you haven't already, make sure your machine is unplugged. You'll need an 8mm to remove this bolt right here. Alright, so once you have that bolt removed, you can see you can come to this. Make sure I have everything right. So what you're going to do in order to remove that is you're going to have to lift this lid up. Make sure the lid's up, and then there's a little tab right here. You just pull this tab and it'll slide right out. Alright, so I've got a good one, and here's the one I took out for the side-by-side comparison. If you shake this one, you can see it's just sliding around there openly. So if it gets stuck all the way open, you may be able to get it to spin, but it's not working properly as it should. Where with this one, when the lid shuts, you can hear it go like it should. Okay, lid shuts. Alright, and the way we install this is the same way you removed it. You're going to want to open your lid. Slide this up, click it in place. Make sure you hear it as you open and shut the door. Just put this 8mm back on here. Tighten it up, and then as you go to put these back on, you can see there's a little slot where you're going to slide it down and kind of lock it back in place. And then these little tabs, you just put the bolt right back in there and screw your Phillips head screw in, and you're done.